In this video, we will be discussing budgeting. So we have 3 questions related to this first table. So here is Jerry's monthly budget. You can see that there are an assortment of items that she pays for each month. The first question is, what is Jerry's total monthly budget? So we want to just add up all of her expenses in the chart given. And when I do that, I got $1,715. Number 2, what is the ratio of electricity cost to gas cost? So if you don't remember, a ratio is just a fraction. So we want electricity to gas. So electricity is $80 and the gas is $25. So we're just going to make a fraction, electricity to gas, and then we're just going to reduce the fraction. So 80 is divisible by 5, and so is 25. So if I divide each of them by 5, I will get 16 over 5, and that is in lowest terms. So that would be it. Even though it doesn't tell me to reduce, I should always reduce my fractions. So make sure you reduce your ratios as well. Number 3, what's the ratio of rent cost to total budget? So rent is $800, and the total budget is what we found in part A. So we'll make a fraction out of that. So that will be rent is $800 to total budget is $1,715. So notice whatever they tell you first always goes on the numerator. So the electricity cost, since it was told first, went on the top. The rent cost went on the top. So it doesn't matter which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Whatever is said first goes in the numerator, and whatever is second or after the 2 goes in the denominator. Okay, so since they both end in 0 and 5, I know that they're both divisible by 5, so I will start there. So 800 divided by 5 is 160. 1715 divided by 5 is 343. I don't know if this is reducible. I'm just going to keep checking numbers to see. It looks like this is in lowest terms, so I will leave it right here. If you're using a scientific calculator or a graphing calculator, most of those will give you your fraction in lowest terms. Okay, let's look at another example. So in this example, we have income on the left and expenses on the right. So income is money you bring in, expenses is money you spend, and we're just going to answer some of these questions. So we have 3 questions to answer from this chart. So number 4, find the annual income. So first of all, it asks for annual income, and if you notice in the chart, it's giving us a monthly amount. So from the full-time job, we get $32.50 per month, and there are 12 months in a year. So $32.50 times 12 will give us $39,000. And then for the part-time job, we get $12.50 a month times 12 months a year. And we get $15,000 for that. And so then we can just add those together. So $15,000 plus $39,000 gives us $54,000. So that's number 4. The annual income is $54,000. Find the annual expenses. So we need to do the same thing for the expenses. The mortgage, I'm just going to do it in the chart, is per month, so that's times 12. Utilities is per month, that's times 12. Groceries is per week. There are 52 weeks in a year, so I'm going to multiply that by 52. 900 per month, so times 12, and 560 per month is times 12. So 1360 times 12 is 16,320. 475 times 12 is 5,700. 200 times 52 is 10,400. 900 times 12 is 10,800. And then 560 times 12 is 6,720. And so to find the total annual expenses, we just add all those numbers up. So 16,320 plus 5,700 plus 10,400 plus 10,800 plus 6,720. And so for that, I got $49,940. And then number 6 is find the annual net cash flow. And so to find that, you're just going to subtract the $54,000, the annual income, minus the annual expenses. And you will get $4,060.